Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to open DCU online banking. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for dcu.org. After that, you will be redirected to this web page. Now, click on this bank embed at the top and a drop-down menu will open up. Inside this menu, all of the accounts available for creation are mentioned. You can create checking accounts, saving accounts, certificate accounts, retirement accounts, and specialty accounts. For this tutorial, I will be creating a free checking account. Now, you will be redirected to this page where you will be able to see all of the available features included with the checking account and also the APY percentage of your account. If you scroll down, there will be additional information like membership levels and information regarding each level. You can access it by clicking on this add icon and then close it by clicking on the subtract icon. Once you are done with all of that, scroll to the top of the page and click on this open button to start the process. Here, a welcome message will be displayed, but you need to click on the Join DCU button to proceed to the next step. After that, you will be prompted to open this PDF on your browser and read it thoroughly to understand all of the terms and conditions proposed by the bank. Once you are satisfied, get back to the previous window, check mark this box, and click on the Continue button. Now, the actual process will get started. Here, you will be able to select the account type or change it if you want. As you can see, I have the checking account expanded as I am trying to create a free account. Now, you just need to enter the required information and proceed to the next step. After that, the first step will be completed and you will be required to enter your personal information. Once done, the bank regulations will be displayed and you must read them thoroughly. After reading and agreeing to them, you will get to the funding stage and then your account will be created. So that's basically how you can open DCU online banking. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.